Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we are back with another video for you all, and we'll be talking about the Vertigo effect in the Premiere Pro software. So let's get right into it. Now, to better explain what Vertigo effect is, I would like you all to see this clip first. As you guys saw in the clip, as the camera moves forward, the foreground also moves away at a much faster rate, which actually creates a cool vertigo kind of an effect. So we are going to learn this today in like 2 minutes. So let's not waste any time and learn how to do this. So I have already imported the video which I require, in which I need to incorporate the vertigo effect. So to start with, you need to scale up the speed of the video. So for this video, I will scale up the speed by 300%. For that, you need to right click on the video and go to speed. So here you can change the speed of the clip, and the second step is you need to zoom in the clip in the start. So for that, you need to click on the video and go to effects control tab. Over here you need to go to scale and click on toggle animation. This creates a keyframe. So the objective of this is to zoom in the clip in the start and to zoom out as the clip progresses towards the end. So over here I will zoom in the clip to 400% in the start, and the end of the clip I will zoom out to 100%, which is the original size. So if you play the video, you can see the effect. So basically, the mix of the camera moving forward and the zooming out of the clip creates that popping effect of the subject in the background, and thus creates the vertigo effect. You can do the reverse of this as well by just reversing this clip. So for this, you need to copy and paste this clip over here, and then you need to just right click, go to speed and reverse it. So if you see the reversed version of this clip, you can see the reverse of it where the subject in the background is actually coming closer to you. Isn't the effect so cool? And also the fact that you have learned this in like 2 minutes. That's it for today, and if you guys like this video, please leave a thumbs up. Also, please let me know if you guys really find these kind of small tutorial videos very helpful. It will really encourage me to do more such tutorial videos. Please leave your views in the comment section below, or any queries that you might have. I will try answering each and every one of them. And yeah, that's it for today. Meet you all until the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.